Hi guys, it's your boy Loki FX Boy. As you can see, today we'll be busy with our weekly analysis as I shared a private video that will be seen by my students who took my online courses, where I share everything, how I analyze the market, how I get the entries and so on. So here is the thing that I analyzed. So the first video which I shared to my students, which I shared it here on YouTube, but it's private. It can be only viewed by my premium students, premium members. Okay, here is just something that I did analyze, but I won't go deeper. Just to do some analysis. As you can see, I'll explain. As you can see, okay, today I analyzed Usdcad. This is something I'm expecting this week. As you can see, this is something I'm currently expecting this week, because as you can see, it is an upward trend. It keeps on pushing every time when it touches our trend. It keeps on pushing up. As you can see, pushing up. I won't be talking much about those sell because sell are only for short term scalping. For scalping, I'll be talking about long entries like this one. You see, it will definitely push up till 120, 129. That's when we'll be expecting a little drop to this side, and it will keeps on pushing up. Let's jump to another pair which we analyzed today. Let me make sure that my mic is turned on. It's on. Okay, cool, it's on. Let's jump to Eurusd. Okay, Eurusd, we're expecting something like this. As you can see, let me view it on a 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Expecting something like this on Euro. As you can see here also, the market was in a range form. As you can see, we did take that sell here and we closed our profit here around this point. We took a sell there, we closed our profit here last week. Yes, so we're now looking, it's playing in our inside our resistance and support. As you can see, definitely now we draw our trend line there, because you can see every time when it reaches this point, it keeps on going up, pushing up. We're definitely expecting it to drop till these points. That's when we will be riding with it to the upside level, and we hopefully looking for it to break our resistance there. After it break our resistance, definitely this resistance will be our support. Then we will be going to our second resistance there. Then after it reaches our resistance there, we're definitely expecting a huge sell, which is an entry which I'm expecting to take there. I'm expecting to take that sell there, which is something I'll be looking deep. I'll be focusing on that sell, because it seems it will be a long-term sell. Okay, let's jump to what? I'm a bit tired, guys. I did 2 videos. I did a 12-minute video. That was the first video I did, and uploaded it here on YouTube. So this is my second video. I'm a bit tired, guys. I'm a bit tired. But I need to explain this thing to you. But I'm a bit tired. Okay, this is H1 time frame. As you can see, I'm having Eurocad here. H1 time frame. I'm having Eurocad. As you can see, it was in a, what I can say, it was in a downtrend, because you can see definitely it was in a downtrend. Then it managed to break our trend there. It managed to break our trend there, form a what from that channel, that smaller channel, which I used to call this movement. I don't know how traders call it, but I usually call it a what, bullish flag, because definitely it will break. These are the entries I get, and I usually win with these setups like that one. Setup like this one, I bet I don't go wrong with those setups. As you can see, it's our 1 hour time frame. I'm expecting something like this. Let's look at our current price, not previous price. I'm expecting something like this, a break, expecting it to break our trend there, because as you can see, it's not a major trend. I'm expecting it to break the trend there. After breaking the trend, definitely taking a buy there, short-term buy. As you can see, after the short-term buy, expecting a long sell. You can take that short-term buy, because I think this movement will happen at night or at morning around 6 a.m. I don't trade around those time. I trade at the morning around 11 to 12. That's when I trade, and I definitely know I will catch this sale. We will catch this sale around those time. Late night, I don't trade. Definitely will catch this sale. Those are the entries I'm looking, and you can see the confirmation. First top, it's a double top there. It definitely formed a triple top, then a sell. Even if it can do like this, that's when we will be catching it. If it can do like this, it can go to the upside, to our resistance there, then you can, that's when I can catch that sell in. But I don't trade at night. Trade it more in the morning. Then I know definitely around 3 a.m 3 p.m I'm done. Afternoon I'm done. I'm not touching the market. I will only trade Nasdaq afternoon around 4 a.m or 5 a.m or 6 a.m. That's when I'll trade Nasdaq. Let's jump to our other pair. Okay, Euro NZD Eurozd was simple for me. I didn't want to complicate things on Euro. Just went simple with it. As you can see, very simple. Expecting something like this. I definitely, I know for sure that it won't turn here. It will retest our zone there. It won't turn. It won't give us a 10 there. It will give us a 10 around at those points. Let me do this so that you can see where we will be buying this thing. We'll be buying this thing here. First TP there. Second TP definitely there. Simple. Then if it goes either way, definitely we will definitely catch this short-term sell and make your SL to be 20 pips or 25 pips and catch this short-term sell there. Let's move. Euro audio killed it last week. I'm not. Those are 4 pairs I'm looking forward to trade this week. Nasdaq, okay. I did analyze Nasdaq last week, and I was willing to share a signal with the